Hello and welcome in a new video in Node.js tips and tricks tutorial. In the previous video we have talked about how to create our first HTTP server. In this video we will talk about how to make server restart automatically whenever any changes will happen in our files. So to do that we need to install some dependency npm install nodemon. Make our server restart automatically whenever I change any single word or character in our project, so the server will rerun automatically. We need to go to package.json, and in script block we need to make new one like start or name it as you want, and we will say nodemon and the name of the entry point or the file server.js. So when you hit npm start, that means run the nodemon with the file server.js. Let's check and npm start. See server running on board 3000, and if we go to localhost 3000, we'll see our API call, I guess hello. See our words, and if you change anything, let's delete this and check our terminal to see what will happen. I will delete and press Ctrl S to save. See our server restarting automatically, and you can just go to your browser and you will see the changes uh, appear on screen. So let's say server port 3000 like this, and server automatically restart. Just refresh your browser and you will see the result. So in this way we install nodemon to make our server refresh or restart successfully whenever I change any words or character in my project. And we have put start script here to let nodemon start with the file server.js. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Wait me in new videos, please.